Nze moze kenekwa m unu biko na o nwere video I post na channel maka Akachaam and his unwarranted, I will call it unwarranted and unprovoked attack on Reverend Father GKA Mbaka. Because you na for video akabaru subscribe on our channel because you are here we are always putting the balance. You know, as much as we are advocating for the church to do the right thing in acknowledging late Senator Patrick Ifeanyi, but in a way of city because na imam biafo onye gbule efi ya wele okoko na enye odoro mma onye obuna sikwa ma obole ya nka ha bụ one na advocate for that one is certain. Mana another thing again, but this unwarranted attack to Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka, it's something that we must all stand and kick against. Why now? Father Mbaka was not referring to Akachaam to Onyoneku. Listen to this video first. Kuno wata ebe okumnaga. Pay very much attention. Kuno no.
Akachaam. I'm waiting for that person to apologize to God and withdraw that statement. You are leading people astray. After Moyena Kona say, come aga alone factory. They were not alone. Ege kwa nujoku anti, ya broku diablo. Ono kane we hane, wama mnandini nelo ya which factories. Ane yechane malaki find your baby doria. Emamado ni find your baby lolo. Deepen, every day by Mamma don't need better yellow. So in a book we mentioned it on a social media. You could have one on a family. How about you in a jealousy or Yana on social media? Like more alone, no can you do? How about a farm company? No, Buddha. Now in Easter, they got the mother all carry a ban. About you want to call it even? I want to hear Madam, the mother on a social media. Now, torture. The Lord of Chile Conos. Yeah, he put them away with trouble. I'm not going to young money put the trouble. Boga, Fioni Sigi, Mamma, maybe and make it say, you know, where game a little factor. Oh, you're not going. Wicked souls, not on social media.
Thank you for watching. I'm Muna for go that video. Father Mbaka was actually referring to Ndine Kumaka in Halo Church, especially Matthias. That was why Matthias Guinea we be able to we make video because I watch Kamfuna Mafopa Taha Mr. James say Mbaka nearly 7 days. Even if Mbaka said only could that thing should apologize to God and withdraw that statement, he never meant you should apologize to Mbaka himself or to the church. It is left for you and your God. Obolona James decided out of annoyance and emotional disdain. You can go back to God in your secrecy. That God should forgive and forget. Man, onye obona nwe very good reasoning towards Mbaka kwesile that Mbaka was not referring to James. Man, due to the context of the social media we call to put that video or they can because you watch the video arrangement goes na osikwa where the sequence, the video sequence arrangement. If Mbaka could Akachaam where kwose we kuzia another thing makandi ne receive mother na arsenal alone akweselo no ka akweselo factory alobo no ka mana all this unprovoked attack to Father Mbaka is unwarranted and uncalled for. Because Mbaka Sirogi apologized to him. Mbaka Sirogi apologized to the church. He said apologize to God and withdraw that statement. It's like a fatherly advice from a brother to a brother, somebody that means well for you, that understand that now in this life, like when we video follow few days ago, one imam no bodo iba morom ebe ma for that video again. I will try and touch it here. Ona agwande be hang with the Christians si buo ha me ha gozo buo na eku ya ona ekuchi drop onwe ya heart attack bia onwo instantly at that stage. So it now brought our mind back to ya nwunye Job gwa Job o say Job bo chukwu yi ke nwa onara asi Job o chukwu yi ke nwa bezo no na waka odeso waka shiga mba ime ihe ya agwa chukwu on this earth nwa. So Mbaka is actually correcting Mr. James Lewis in that statement ya. because I need bụ mmadụ afchakwa ya ndị mmadụ asị gị na ihe na ana asị ka eme Ifeanyi Ubaka ọbụlụ nka eme Ifeanyi Ubaka ọbụlụ nke ọzọ. It does not worth it. Onye ọbụla na-ekwu that kind of statement nkwa mara ihe ka esi appreciate ihe ọma. Ihe ọbụla sị ka emele Ifeanyi Uba at least igine kwanyelu mmadụ ugwu ahụ mgbe ọ dị ndụ ogwu na ọnwa anwụ nye ihe kwesịrị ka ọ dị. Ọ na-aga mmadụ nwugudu ọ mmadụ nwụọ na ana Igbo anyị achọgoro ibebe ka anụ lutelu mpanda ahụ nwụrụ anwụ anyị enye ha datin according to the rank of their father. That statement ahụ eme on other parishioners, it does not warrant it. Mr. James is also clamoring for the thing Bishop kwu even before mgbe na Ifeanyi Uba. I need for those videos ahụ. Ọ sị na mgbe eji eme ite Bishop ọ gwa Bishop at least ka ibu ba Ifeanyi Uba na that church. Ọ sị na Bishop say ya trash, no trash, that name he will call media attention on he will bury Ifeanyi Uba for the second time. That was the exact voice, that was the exact words they were using. Ndị the voice note ji amana the voice note is not yet for the public yet. Yotago mana you keep saying that na ọ bụrụ na the Bishop sị na asị ka ọ na-atọ that he should come out and debunk it. Now biko o nwere ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ikwu for ndị na bịara video Mr. James ma attach some of the video here ka unu nụ ihe ọ gwa Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. I am still saying Mr. James Louis Akachaam biko ikachabe ịka ya akakwu because ọ bụrụ na ị decide go na ịkacha ga aka m ifugo gwute Matthias na ndị otu ama m na Matthias achọ na gị fonu ụzọ adịrọ ịkalekwu Matthias ịkaleli ya by far nghọtago but what is what doing is what doing well. Anyị niile bụ mmadụ enwerọkwa no matter ihe ọ bụla isi me I have never been in support of ịkpali men of God ịkpali onye nke akpali onye ngosịkwa gị menu maana especially a public figure, a father figure, a legendary, a God's general like Father Mbaka. Everybody, one men of God in Nigeria that have not had their ups and downs, that have not had their own one or two. Oye Adeboye Selemba that na they we are even the kind of union hand on Mba force them into doing campaign against Jonathan because han on a group of can. That during that time they were forced to do those things, but to come many years later they are still using it against them. So na Mbaka kuloku Buhari kuoku nka me Peter Obi nka Guto Obi nka egocha ihe Mbaka me ndị ọjọọ me gụa nke ọma me ihe Mbaka ọma Mbaka me karịrị ihe ọjọọ me. So with that you can actually rate him good. With that you can actually rate him good, and there is a way God is a judge mmadụ. Onye ọbụla abụgo God's servant. All the form of kangwagi calculating said in a very simpler term that you understand. All the form of na Nigerian and Nigerians neso okwu. Ghana abịa tilo hono or South Africa abịa tilo hono. It's a very big mistake from Ghana and South Africa because na Nigerians na ba neso okwu ya hapụgodo okwu ha na-ese. Face Ghana and South Africa make sure na ha mekpọ ihe ha kwu gbam. Emekpọ ha ihe ha kwu. The night when I chat we say na he is they no gini ka ikwulu nya. That is how God judge his servants. His servant me na eme nka na eme nke ọzọ you ebe ti ono ihe na gbasara gị. God will leave that person punish go dig first. Open his chest go now come back to his servant say na kede ebe akwụsị for misleading the public or for saying what I did not say. Here is your own punishment and neko yesi delege. All those things again is biblical. And it is happening. It's a practical example of what you should watch out for in talking to men of God. So, because lovers of James Lewis, truth to be told, Mbaka does not warrant that. As a knight, as Onyoka, Ebo, Ekachabe, no matter what, Emelene Melana, Okayoka Ebo, you should have avoided that and happen Mbaka. Happy Akusi Nolo, because Mbaka didn't know Kojoto Namu. Mbaka to the Christian body abugo to namu. Ipia ya wahala. Ipia ya apia wahala. So happy ona ho the God knows iwe nyana Mbaka siyano. Emelione emela na Mbaka still remains and retain and represent something in this system anonymia. So because obo nefo be ho video ha James Okuloku because stroll down to the channel here for the video. No apology. Clash with Reverend Father GKA Mbaka. Just watch the video and don't forget to subscribe. God one.